Hey everyone, Mr. Bonner back for 2021, getting our new year off to a musical start today, looking at, we're gonna start today, I'm gonna play a song on ukulele, but we're actually going to learn the melody of the song on xylophones next week. So I kind of wanted to introduce the song and kind of get us started into playing it on xylophone next week. So the song is Three Little Birds. I've been doing a couple of different versions with some of my different classes. Kindergartens and grade 2s are trying it on guitar, and I'm doing it with the grade 5s on ukulele, and then my 3s and 4s are going to do the melody through the Glockenspiels, or the very small metallic xylophones. So I thought I'd play the song for you. I'm sure most of us know it, but if you don't know the song, this is how it goes. Here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs with melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. And rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, so that was the song, and what I want to work on next week with you is playing the melody of the song on our Glockenspiels. Now, a couple of classes have used these little metallic xylophones. The really, really small ones are called Glockenspiels. They have a pretty nice pitch to them. Now I do have on here right now, you'll notice that that note didn't quite sound right. I have a B flat on here right now for the sake of this particular song. So that's why that didn't sound like the scale that we're familiar with. We'll have some time to explore the sounds, and because I'm holding this instrument, I will be just using one of these little mallets. Mallet is, I don't know, it's kind of like a stick with a little ball on the end. And we'll have lots of time to explore the sound of the instrument next week, and then we're going to try to get into the melody of the song. And if you listen here, you'll probably recognize this sounds just like the chorus from that Three Little Birds. So it goes like this. Now you might have noticed also that the sound of these little bars wasn't maybe ringing out or resonating the same way, and that's because I've got it upright like this. That means the weight of those little bars is pulling down, and they're not really buzzing quite as, or ringing out, I should say, quite as nicely. So if I play it where it's nice and flat, it might sound even a little bit nicer. So I can hear a big difference. I'm not sure if you can, but the pressure of these little black dots here is kind of muting the sound. It's almost like when I play the guitar and then I put my hand on the strings and it stops the vibration. If I play a note here, I can put my hand on and it stops that vibration. So next week we'll be working with these Glockenspiels and the ukulele. We're going to try to play the song and using these instruments to play out the melody of the song. So stay tuned for that next week. We'll see you then.